Hello guys, naglalaro ako ng FC Mobile guys. Tingnan yung kung may skill ka sa football guys. Ito. Mahilig ka ba sa football? Ako mahilig ako guys. Naglalaro kami ng mga alaga ko dito. Mga alaga ko kasi mga lalaki. So, naglalaro din kami nito. Sila nagturo sa akin. Yan guys. Maglaro tayo ng amateur guys. Amateur muna. Yan guys. Ako. Yung team ko Chelsea. Tapos yung kalaban ko is Manchester City. O diba guys? Ako yung naka-white. Oh my god. Yan yung team ko. Oh. Oh. Lost ball. Sayang yun. Hindi. Makagul. Okay. I get it again. Oh my god. Nako. Hey, thank you. Ako. Oh my god. Pass. Okay. I shoot it. Goal. Oh, what a goal. Yay, nakagul na. Oh, 1 point. Oh, yan guys. O, diba? Amateur pa lang to guys. Kaya pareho kami hindi masyado, Pero pag tumaas na yung level mo guys, mga na yung mga kalaban mo. Mga na masyado. Yung marunong na masyado. So, itong level ko kaya ko pa. kaya ko pa guys. Kaya ko pa yung kalaban. Oh, diba, goal again. I goal it. No, I get it. Okay. I will get the ball and I lost it. Okay guys, it's okay. Okay, I get it. Yes. Goal! Mashallah, I don't get. Ang galing ng goalkeeper nila. Okay. Tingnan natin guys kung makagol ako ulit nito mamaya. Ayun. Nangyari doon yun? Ba't mo iniwan yung bola? Ayan. Okay, yes. Ang galing din ang goalkeeper ko eh. Oh my goodness. Tapos na ang half time. Yay! 1-0. 1-0 guys. Ayan. Na. Balik na tayo. Tapos na yung Okay. I goal. Na my goal. Oh my god, loss. Bakit kasi hindi ko napasa yun? Okay. Now, may substitute guys. Okay, goal. Goal mo na ako! Okay, yes, goal na si Williams ko. Goal na guys, goal na si Williams ko. Yan. 2 points. 2 points na ako. Yay! Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng pag-goal ko, no? Parang prop. Parang prop, guys. Parang prop. Okay, I still ko yung bola nila. Oh my god. Okay, pass. Ayaw mag-pass. Okay, let it go again. Goal, see? Still. Okay, na-still ko na ulit ang bola. Okay, pass. No. It's a wrong pass, guys. So, pag ganyan, hindi siya allowed, guys. Maling pasa. Okay lang yan, guys. 2-0. Hindi pa naka-score yung kalaban natin, guys. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Lost ball again. Lost ball again. Lost ball again. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, okay, okay. Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Goal! Wow! Yes! 3 points. Shot the ball. Okay ba? Okay guys, no? Oh, diba? Okay, parang prop talaga, no? Ayan guys. 3-0. Hindi talaga nakascore yung kalaban guys. Oh, diba? Okay. Oh my goodness, what? Okay. Oh yes. So, winner ako guys. Winner. Winner ako guys. So, ito yung mga player of the month. Siya yun. Okay. Ito yung mga nakuha ko para sa game na yun. Nakuha kong mga award. Level up na tayo. Ayan guys, kunin lang natin yung mga reward natin guys. And then, tayo guys. Mag-set tayo ng another game guys. Tingnan natin kung mananalo pa rin. Ito na guys. Mag-set ako ng another game. Amateur 2 ako with 1 star guys. Diba? Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Sino kalaban ko guys? Oh my God, Milano FC kalaban ko guys. Pareho kaming level guys. Amateur 2. Tingnan natin ang mangyayari dito. Yan yung cards. Yan yung mga player cards. May siya. Hindi ko pa nakalaban si Messi guys. At saka si Ronaldo. Okay. Okay. Oops. I did it again. Goal! Oh, it's my first goal, guys. Ang galing ni Williams. First goal na ako, guys. Okay. Naka-first goal na ako. So, ano naman mangyayari kayo dito sa kalaban, guys? Oops. No. Good. Okay. Pass. Oh. What I'm doing? Okay, pass. Okay, go. Okay. Oh, it's a wrong pass again. My goodness. Not allowed. Wrong pass, guys. Oops. It's okay. Akin pa rin ang bola. Nasa akin pa rin. Okay. I will goal. Guys, nakatugol na ako. 0 pa rin yung kalaban. Okay guys. Diba guys? Naku naman. Oops. Okay, again and again. Try. Oh, nakuha nila yung bola guys. Kukunin ko ulit. Yes. Okay. Pass. Oh my God, ikit. Okay, kunin mo ulit. Okay. Oops. No. Don't let. Okay. Muntik na makagol yun. Makakagol na sana yun sila. Kailangan natin anuhan yung defense natin. Okay, half time. Finish half time, guys. Okay. 2-0 ang score. Ayan. Back again. Nasa kanila yung bola, guys. Oh, oops, oops. Okay, I get it, I get it. Pass. Okay, okay. I pass. Pass. No. Okay, diretso muna. Oh. My goodness. Pang 3 goal ko, guys. Ano kaya? Makakahabol pa kaya yung kalaban namin, guys? O, diba? Makakahabol pa yung kalaban namin ng oras, guys, oh. So, 3-0. Kailangan kong anuhan yung defend ko. Okay. Kailangan kong bantayan yung depensa ko, guys. Okay, okay, okay. Get the ball. I cannot get it. Get the ball. Okay. Okay. I get it. I get it. Okay, may substitute. Okay, okay. Diretso, diretso. Goal! No, it's a lost ball. Lost ball, sayang yun. Sayang yun eh. Sayang. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's a lost ball. Sayang yun, no? Oops. Okay. Where are you? Pass. Williams. Ang galing. Ang galing-galing. Ang galing-galing. O, diba, guys? Okay, guys. 4-0. Okay. Pero pag mataas itong level na ko, Diyos ko, yung mga kalaban. Okay. Exciting. Okay, diretso muna. Diretso muna. Okay, 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 okay. Goal again. Goal! Oh my God, the goalkeeper. He get the ball. Okay, malapit ng oras. Yay! Winner ulit, guys. 4-0. 4-0, guys. Ayan, nanalo ako ulit, guys, sa second game. So, player of the match, William. So, ayan yung binigay sa akin, guys. Okay, tumaas na yung level ko, guys. Oh my God, 3-star na siya, guys. So, ibig sabihin, nasa pro. Uy, amateur 1 na ako, guys. Next na game ko, amateur 1 na. Tumataas na yung level natin. Kaya, may chances na magkalaban tayo ng mga magagaling. Oh, yan lahat ng mga premium ko, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you.